Not sure what this place was. Some kind of a factory or a textile thing or something. I dug out this Coke bottle. She just dug that one out this second.
Yeah.
What's the other one over there?
Some orangeette lemonette.
Orangeette lemonette. Two cool little medicine bottles. Some kind of conductor. And that big one.
It's gigantic.
Here's another one stuck in this tree. Old plates and things. I just found this. I don't know what they use it for. Some kind of blade, I guess. My quick cut. Jeanine's at home. Found these cool bottles. I've been hiking and hiking, and I got something interesting in the ground. I don't know yet. But out here. Oh yeah, definitely a point. Lamar Mountain with the tip broke off. Here. Let's see what you found. I just found this little blunt made of chert. There ain't much left of it though. That's good. Oh wow, that's really nice, baby.
But I would have had you film it, but I thought it was a flake.
Just found this pretty cool base. I like how the base is concave on it. It has a big ear on one side. Not much left though. We're at Bird Point Island. The first time she's ever been here, and I haven't been here in at least 2 years. The water's been so high. She's taking a picture of what she found. There's Tootsie, and the pontoon is on the back side. All right, baby.
Ready?
Wait. Let me get a good view of it. Okay, go for it. Good luck. There's something, yes.
Oh, nice.
That is awesome. Good job, baby doll.
Woohoo!
That's a nice one right on top.
Yes.
Been looking forward to coming here for so long. All right, about 2 minutes later, I'm walking this little thing of water where I always like to look at, and I found this little bird point made of gray flint, and it's not focusing. I'll take a better picture in a minute. It's really neat. It's got a little thinning strike in the base. She's picking up stuff right in my row. Is that an arrowhead?
Yeah.
Live action?
Yeah.
Look at that little bird point. This is not focusing for some reason. Good job, baby. In my row. Okay. Good luck. I don't know.
I don't know.
Fake out on that one.
Stacker.
Sight.
It was. That's terrible.
Yeah, dog fight.
Land ho. Oh yeah. Little bitty crude dude.
Yeah.
Good job though. I'd given up on this place. I picked it up, it's in my hand.
Oh.
I couldn't help it, I was excited. It's kind of made of a flake, but
Hold still.
I can't.
Where'd it go?
Made of flint.
Hey, you could find the flint.
Hunting this clear cut, and I just flushed that deer out. He's a big one. Look at that thing hop. That's awesome. There he goes. And there's not much to look at over there, so I'm walking this road or washout. I hope that's one. It looks like one from here. Oh yeah. It's got a little tip off though. Still cool. And I found definitely where there was an old home place or a home place nearby. There's a huge bottle dump and a lot of tin cans too. Be cool to dig around in here. Looks like people have already, but you never know what you can find in here. I'm gonna look around a little bit. Mostly broke. There's a bunch of Clorox bottles still together. don't see anything awesome. Little piece of pottery. Alright, we'll get back with you. Maybe we'll find something else.